Hi, this is Jonah with Sweet Honey Code, and today we're going to look at a local development WordPress tool called Local. So let's get started. So Local is developed by a host called Flywheel and allows you to create a local development environment for WordPress. This is a great way to start up your WordPress website without having to find a host right away. And it has a lot of features, which is why I absolutely love this tool. It does seamlessly integrate with Flywheel and WP Engine, but you can also use it to develop WordPress websites for other hosts as well. You would download Local from their website and choose which operating system you are. Once the download's complete, you would go through the installer and you're going to see something like this. So to get started, you would click the circle with the plus in the corner and type in the website name that you want to create. You continue through the wizard selecting the different options. The preferred setting is the best setting unless you know what you're doing. So you want to continue forward. From here, you would create the admin and the password. Make sure it's a strong password. There is the advanced option for multi-site in case that is what you're building as well. And you can continue forward. Now it's going to go through and create the local environment for this WordPress website. I already have done this, so I'm going to switch over to a site I've already created. Here's a site that I've already created just to demonstrate. As you can see here, there's different settings that you can explore further if you are an advanced user. But I can see the different URLs. There's a trust button here that allows me to view this as an SSL, which is a secure server socket in my web browser as well. I could change the PHP, which are all advanced settings. I could even go and explore the database. So once I fire this up, get it started, I could go to the database and search further. So let's go ahead and do that. Click the Start Site to get started. After a few moments, I can now click Open Site to see this in my web browser. There we go. There is my new WordPress website. I can even go to the login by typing in wp-admin and logging in with the username and password that I created. Everything about this environment is like a real live WordPress website. So you can actually install plugins, themes, and add content. And once you're ready, you can actually upload it to something like WP Engine or Flywheel or export it off to a different host of your choosing, which I will cover further in another video. So be sure to go check out this awesome tool, see how it works for you, and I'll see you in the next video.